Ready? Sarah's the only one getting the stuff that fell out on the way. Sarah was the only one getting the candy that fell out during the flight pattern. Is there any more in the piñata?